Risk disclaimer.
Hi there, my name is Christy. So if you're looking to become a professional Forex and cryptocurrency trader, then Easy Forex Institute is the best. I would also highly recommend the coaching and mentoring program from Emmanuel to everyone just seeking a full-time income leveraging this new crypto economy. So I'm averaging between 20 to 40 pips daily now and have over 80% winning trades. So just go ahead, take up Emmanuel's coaching and mentoring program. You will be glad you did. You will not regret it.
Hello everybody, I'm glad to be here to give a testimony, especially on behalf of my wife, regarding cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And I'm glad to say that this testimony actually confirms the success of Pastor Emmanuel Adebola's coaching program. My wife normally does not like to be an entrepreneur. I have been an entrepreneur for years and I'm ready to take risks so long as I think they are reasonable. But my wife is the kind of person who likes brick and mortar projects. Anyway, I was able to convince her to visit with Pastor Adebola and she agreed. And after a couple of days of coaching, Pastor Adebola was able to convince her to purchase 1 Bitcoin. And this was about 5 months ago. And within 5 months, she bought 1 Bitcoin for I think about $2,200. And just about 2 weeks ago, she was able to cash out about $7,000, and she still has some money left in the Bitcoin. She didn't sell everything, which means she made a huge profit within a short time. I can tell you my wife is very happy because she's never been interested in risking her money, and where she tried in the past, things didn't work out well, but now she is very, very happy. I would really recommend this coaching course by Pastor Adebola. Thank you.
Hello, this is Benjamin Berkeley of Vision Power International. Wow, I want to appreciate Mr. Emmanuel Adebola, the Forex Apostle, for his creative mind. The Tradermatic software is a wonder magic. I tell you that. Now, through the Tradermatic software, I've been able to minimize my losses and also to magnify my profits, because the software has been so instrumental in my trading. Not only that, I can attest to his coaching program. It's a wonderful teacher. It will take you hand by hand, leg by leg, and lead you until you can understand. It's someone that teaches you to the basic. I love the way he teaches, and I do recommend him. Make sure you get in touch with him, get his resources, get his material. It's somebody that you need to hook up with, because he will have positive and profitable influence in your life. God bless you. Have a great day.
Hi guys, this is Roy. I never knew anything about Forex or cryptocurrency until I stumbled on Emmanuel's mentoring and coaching program on Forex and cryptocurrency trading. Joining the mentoring program is the best decision I've ever made, and now I would love to recommend this coaching program to everyone that is ready to take ownership of their financial future. Cheers.
Hey guys, my name is Toby and I'm going to shoot a video to thank the Tradermatic team. Now the software does exactly what it's supposed to do, which is to help a complete newbie make money profitably in the first market using these color-coded signals. Now I was skeptical at first to buy because there are a lot of scams out there, but I went ahead and got this software because of Mr. Emmanuel's credibility and integrity. So I started making money my first week of using this software. Now, to be very, very honest, I can't believe that this kind of software will be this affordable. Mr. Emmanuel, thank you so much for creating this software, and I believe it's going to change a lot of people's lives. I recommend this tool for everyone struggling to make money in the Forex market. trust me that it is worth every penny. Go for it. Cheers.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Michelle Mutter. I drove all the way from Killeen to here in Dallas today. That's about 2 hours and 30 minutes to have a training session with Mr. Emmanuel, Pastor Emmanuel. Really, I am so blessed to be here today because I have learned so much and he has helped me beyond measure because he has stopped so many things that he had to do today. As a pastor, he has so many activities to do and he really compromised everything to help me, and I'm very, very grateful. I say thank you to you, Pastor Emmanuel, for doing that for me. And I just wanted to say that I'm really happy to be here because I was able to learn how to use Trematic system to actually go ahead and trade. I have learned to trade I have taken so many classes before, but here with Trematic, I was able to place my stop loss, place my trade, and place my take profit, and I was able to make $15 for the first one and $32 for the second trade, which actually took us only about 15 minutes. So I recommend his system to anyone out there who's really struggling with trading. It was helpful. It's just the beginning, and I know that I'm going to profit more and more with his system. Please join us and let's grow together. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me Forex Apostle because I am a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living and I help others do the same thing. Okay, I've helped so many struggling Forex traders profit with the same market, and I've helped so many people getting started in this same market. And I believe it's your turn to get started trading the Forex market. If you are watching this video right now, chances are that you have heard about Forex trading and you don't just know how to get started, or you have been hit by COVID-19 or any other pandemic more than even COVID-19, and you are looking to get started, for post-COVID-19 financial explosion. Or maybe you are working right now, but you don't just have time for yourself. You don't have time for your family, you don't have time for your God, and you need solution, and you need it right now. Okay, I'm inviting you to join me on this webinar presentation that's going to be taking place on June 13th, 2020. It's going to be on a Saturday, and you're going to be spending 3 hours with me. Okay, free of charge. This training is going to be free, but you still have to register to be part of it. So there should be a button below this video. All you have to do is click on it. It's going to take you to where you will reserve your seat. Why do I see myself qualified to teach you how to make money from Forex market? I've been trading Forex since 2006. I lost few accounts, bought so many accounts, I think about 6 of them. And of course, if you are familiar with the Wonders Bank, back then in 2006, 2007 in Nigeria, I was one of the people trading for web solution. Let me ask you a question. If you could be pulling in a profit like this on a daily basis, how would this change your bottom line? I mean, talking about $4,339.31 in one day. This is $3,039.89 in one day. This is $916 in one day. As at the time of creating this video, this is how much I have made from Forex market, and I'm talking about profit. This is over $14,000. So if I could show you, how to do the same thing, how would this change the quality of your lifestyle? I don't give people fish. All I do is teach you how to fish for yourself, and this is the same invitation I'm giving to you. So all you have to do, click the button below this video, and I will see you on the training on the 13th of June 2020. God bless you.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Olaniro, and I am here to testify to Pastor Emmanuel Adegbola's FX training and coaching program. Pastor Adegbola is authentic. I was introduced to FX. Well, I've kind of always wanted to know FX trading, and I've ventured into it a couple of years back, but I didn't make anything out of it until I came into contact with Pastor Adegbola. I joined his training program sometime last year, late last year, October last year. But I can assure you that he's authentic. He teaches with a passion. He knows what he is doing. And if you follow his principles, his teachings, you will also make money. You will do well in FX trading and FX trading. So, and I recommend it for anybody. I'm also promoting him. By the grace of God, I'm also a pastor, and I also introduced a couple of our church members to undergo this training. You cannot regret it. He is authentic, and I support what he's doing. Thank you.